Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Primus Learning. This is a quick video, especially for those in developing countries. This is particularly for those in Africa, especially Cameroon, Nigeria, Congo, wherever you are in Africa. This video is for you. So we've noticed that a lot of people have not known how to monetize their skill sets, right? And a lot of people do not know how to get free resources online. There is just everything right now online, and this is the time to learn a skill that can put you in the market, that can make you really relevant in the market. There are other people who already have the skill sets. They have a lot of skill sets that they don't realize can be monetized. So how this video is just to show you how you can learn skills online for free. We'll look at YouTube. We'll look at some particular websites that can help you learn skill sets that are valuable for you, and also show you how you can monetize your skill sets, right? I'll show you the platforms. I'll show you examples of people who are making it big with maybe the skill sets that you already have, right? So that's exactly what we'll be doing here in this video. So the first thing I would show you is, you have to go to YouTube. YouTube is a very good platform. Let's say you're looking for skill sets in Python programming, right? Let's say you want to learn Python and you're looking for free resources. Simply go to YouTube and type Python programming. And what you need to do is look at the various views that the videos have had. So you see this first video here, it's had this one right here, it's had 3.5 million views over a year, right? Over 1 year, and it's had 3.5 million views. That shows you that the video is important and so many people are watching it. And what does it say? It says Python tutorial for beginners, and it's a 5 hours course. So if you're starting off with Python, this is a good course for you to pick up. 3.5 million views is a lot, which means it's valuable. It gives some value, and that's why you have a lot of people watching. Look at this other one, Learn Python full course for beginners. This is over 4 years now, and it's had 38 million views. What else would you want? And it's 4 hours, 26 minutes. This is a good course. I've watched this course myself. I've done this. I've followed it right up to the end. The guy is very neat with his teaching methodology. This is a course that can get you started in Python. Look at the next free one. It's Python full course, 7.3 million views. And this is just over a year. And it's 12 hours. This is a full-blown Python course. So if you're someone who is serious about your Python programming, I will show you where you can monetize these skill sets once you learn them. Just with all of these, trust me, you'll be able to monetize your skill sets as you continue to develop on it, right? This is just about Python. Take, for instance, you wanted to learn about, let's say, DevOps, and you just hit DevOps here. Look at it. It returns a lot of videos here. Look at Free Code Camp as well. It has a video here with 667K views. This is something good, 2 hours. Look at this one, the next one that follows. It defines what DevOps is by, I think, Tech World with Nana or somebody. She's very good. You can watch that one. That's an introductory one though. So look at the course here. This one is 2.5 million views, and it's 6 hours long. That's a good one to get you started with what DevOps is, and you can do more research. You can build on top of that. This is a DevOps bootcamp. It has over how many? It has a whole playlist. So it's a bunch of of videos put together. And still about DevOps. Look at if you want to just focus on Kubernetes, look at this lady here. She has 5.7 million views on Kubernetes. A lot of people are hired just because of their Kubernetes skills. This is what you can do right here. So there are a lot of free videos, a lot of free content. And if you go to Code Camp, they have so many free resources for you. I'll demo that in a bit, right? So there's just a lot. So that's just about DevOps. Let's say you wanted to learn AWS tutorials. It's just everything. You have everything right here. And I will show you how you can monetize the skills that you learn from here. Look at AWS tutorials, creating custom visual transforms, blah, 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 blah. So you can see there are a lot of videos out here. Just look at a ton of videos. There are reinvent videos that are made by AWS itself. Just a whole lot. You just need to mention the service. And if you're serious about your AWS, this is where you get started with free videos. They're all here. They're all here. Look at this one from Free Code Camp is 1.7 million views in a year. This is a certified cloud practitioner one. You just get started with what AWS is all about, and you can get certified and so on, right? And so once you get started, that's what is important. You need to get started. Look at other videos. You could have videos on video editing. Video editing. You have a lot of gigs out there that are looking for people with good video editing skill sets. This is these you can watch for yourself. Look at videos about editing. Just scroll down, you will see them. And you can do, let's say, to be more precise, you could do maybe logo designing. Sorry, let me spell this correctly. All right. And you would have videos about, learning how to design and do logos and so on and so forth. And they give you even tools, how to design a logo. Look at this one, 1.4 million views. And this one is a very short one, just 5 minutes. You learn something and begin to develop on it. This one is 21 minutes, 6 million views, which means it's valuable, guys. It's valuable. You watch them. And from there, you begin to look at this one is 3.3 million views in 2 years. And I paid 5 designers on Fiverr to design the same logo. You see, this guy here, this one has 340K in 1 year. So these are some videos you can watch and get started. We're not saying they will give you the best, but this is where you get started and you can develop your skill sets. There are a lot of resources online on Google and so on that are very useful. Take, for instance, if you're in the database world and you wanted to learn database management, this is where you go. Right? You have a lot of videos here. Look at SQL tutorial. You can learn SQL to begin your SQL journey. This is 14 million views in 4 years and many others. This is Free Code Camp as well. Take note of this site, Free Code Camp. Database management systems. Look at it. You have a lot of tutorials. You even have tutorials from universities, right? This is a database management course. I think this is from, I don't know which school this is. And you really have courses designed by good instructors. Look at this one. This one is 2.2 million views 4 years ago. And so on and so forth. A lot of them. There are a lot of them out here. There are free courses offered by Coursera. This one is 17 hours, guys. Look at 17 hours offered by Cornell University. This is a top level university that's offering this course. You can take it. Take it and you become very good in database systems. Look at this one. This one is lesson 1 of 8. So there are 8 videos and it's 1.1 million views, which means it's valuable. It has something if you want to So, maybe if you're working in the AWS space or whatever space, and you want to learn about database management systems, you want to learn about databases, you don't just have to be focused on one thing. You will not be able to capture the big picture. You'll not be able to work effectively. You need to know some of these things. So these are basic skill sets that you can do. There are a lot more things that you can specialize in. There are a lot more things you can specialize in. And once you've learned the skill sets, once you have the skill sets, I know there are people out there who already possess these skill sets. Once you have them, how do you monetize them? How do you make money out of them? The first place, our first stop is Fiverr. You go to fiverr.com. This is a website where you can sell your skill sets, and also you can buy from. So you can sell your skill sets here. Take, for instance, graphic designers, right? You can be a graphic designer, or you're already a graphic designer. You simply need to go here and look at this. Look at people who have put on their. So let's just say you come in here to look for skill sets too. Let's just do graphic designing, right? Graphics designing something. Just type it in, and it will bring you a bunch of people who are making it out here. Look at people with, this guy has 1K, that's 1K plus reviews, which means he's doing a good job. It means he's making good money out of this. Look at, and you can see him just, his 1 hour is $20. This is it right here. You can see reviews that people have given him. He has 1,000 reviews, very good reviews. He was very responsive and did multiple edits in the course of a few minutes. You see, different people will evaluate your skill sets. That's why I'm saying you have to have a culture that is favorable. Why? Because people will review you. So you need to be an expert to be able to make money out of yourself, right? Out of the skill sets that you have. You have to learn very well to become an expert. You see, this guy knows his stuff, and that's why people are able to review him. And others will come in here. When I want to hire somebody, I come to the reviews and check, hey, how many thousand reviews does this guy have? I go through them, read them, and make sure he's somebody who can work on my stuff. And I'm going to him with confidence. So he has proof of work. He has proof of work through the reviews that people give, through whatever he has posted on his site, because people give reviews and they post whatever he delivered for them. And you see he's level 2 on Fiverr, which means he's attained some levels in Fiverr. That's just about graphic designing and logo making and so on. You see, they all have, these are people from different places. I will deliver 2 premium quality logo and graphic designs. See this guy, he has 116 orders. He's had 116 orders and reviews, and so on and so forth. This is just about graphics designing. Let's say you have skill sets in Python programming. You just need to come here and register yourself as, let's say, Python. Let's just put Python here and look for people with Python skill set. Look at them. This guy has 400 and something reviews, which means he's had 400 and something. He's had to work with 400 and something people. Imagine how much. He charges $50 per hour. Why not come here, register, create an account, put yourself out there and make money if you have the skill sets? It all goes back to the skill sets, guys. Look at this guy. He has 843 reviews, a 5-star review, which means he knows his job. If I'm coming to him with a Python thing, he knows what he's doing, because from experience, he has proof of work. He has proof of work. And you have to be available. One thing I've noticed with people maybe from Africa and so on, sometimes we lack that culture, that capitalist culture, which means you sacrifice the time, be there, do the work. If I give you work and you tell me, hey, it's weekend, I'm going to church, I'm going to rest, I'm going to the bar, I'm watching whatever, of course, the next time I won't come to you because you delay my work, right? So you need to have that culture. You have to have a good ethics, work ethic, right? Let's put it that way. And so people can trust you to come with whatever they are bringing to you, because work has to be fast. That's how you know, that's how things work in a capitalist society, and that's this, unfortunately or unfortunately, that's the society we live in. And so you have to be available, you have to make out time, you have to sacrifice time to build a career for yourself. Once you build it, you can literally have an organization with so many people employed under you who do these things. If you are very good and people have, if you already have maybe 1,000 reviews, and many people will be coming to you, and you can actually have an office, employ people who will be doing that for you, train them, and they'll pick up and be doing that for you. And that's already how you make money. This is just one platform, and this is just a few skill sets I've shown. You can Google DevOps. If you're a DevOps engineer, maybe you are somewhere and you have not been hired officially, this is where you make your money. You don't need somebody to officially hire you for you to be able to make money with the skill set you have. If you're very good in DevOps, trust me, you will make money here, right here. Look at this guy will provide Azure DevOps security job support. I will be your AWS cloud, whatever. So you have to learn and just create a platform for yourself and create a profile for yourself. To create a profile, it's very easy. You just need maybe a PayPal account. You just need to be able to link that account to your bank account, and that's it. Come in here, it's free to create an account, right? It's free to create an account. So I can switch to my selling account or remain as a buyer here. I'm just showing you with this one because, you know, this is a video to show you how to do this. And you can simply come here, create an account for yourself. Just go to Fiverr, create an account. That's it. Put in your details. You see, you can be an AWS person. People look for skill sets here, going to the specifics. They go to the specific skill sets. So Docker, if you are very good in Docker, they will put a profile up and be a Docker, whatever. People will come to you with their Docker problems. If you're a Kubernetes person, if you're a Terraform person, if you're an Azure DevOps person, if you are very good with Jenkins, if you are very good with Linux, and so many other things. Just logo designs. I showed you earlier about logo designs, right? If you are very good with those are skill sets you put in here. If you are very good with video animation, music and audio, programming and business, writing, content writing, digital marketing is a thing right now. It's really very good. Digital marketing, those are skill sets that are really digital marketing. So you need to learn those skill sets to be able to make money. And this is how you make money. Look at these people, all of them. They're making good money. Look at, has 340 reviews, which means he's been making some good money. This guy has 656 and a lot more. You can scroll down and you'll see them. This is how they make their money. They don't need to be hired by somebody, although they can. Most of these people here are actually, these are just their gigs, right? They are their second options. They make money on the side while they're working. This is what we're talking about, guys. This is just on Fiverr. Go to Upwork. This is Upwork right here, right? Just go to Upwork, create an account. Go to Upwork, create an account, and you're good to go. Same process. You just need a bank account or whatever to create an account, and you'll be good to go. Look at this guy. I searched for AWS Solutions Architect persons, right? Look at this guy. His 1 hour is $130, and he's top rated here. Look at how much this guy has made over a year, right? Over whatever. So his 1 hour is that amount. Look at the total number of hours he's made. Just multiply 130 by 2,980 hours, and you'll know how much he's made in whatever years he has here. Look at this second person. This is an AWS Azure engineer. He has 800K plus earnings that he's made. And the total hours of work that he's put in, 8,745. This guy has made over 800,000 US dollars from Upwork. And he charges $95 an hour. Imagine that you have these skill sets. and you are efficient. What does efficient means? Efficiency in this case means you have to be time responsive, because when I come to you, you have to respond, right? Your time to respond should not be over 1 hour or 2 hours. You can actually have a team that works with you, and this is where you make money, right? Look at, he has a job here that is 42,000 US dollars, and the job is in progress. Look at what he's building. He's setting up C-Sync, blah, 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 in Elastic AWS load balanced environment. And the hours of work, 654 hours. This is where he's making his money. This one was a fixed contract that he did. He provided architectural design for somebody. This one was certified solutions architect specialist, blah, great work. He did 19,000 for this guy. And then he did 11,000 for this other person. This is how he's making his money. And probably he's working somewhere as well. Or he has a team that is working for him. Maybe he's not even the one doing it. He has a team, he's trained, and they're working on this. Just do DevOps. Just type DevOps here, or just type machine learning. Just type anything you're good at or you want to learn. You see this guy, he has AWS, he has Kubernetes, he has Jenkins, and so on. He's made over 5K over his time, and his 1 hour is $35. And you see where he is? He's in Pakistan. He's in Pakistan. You are not limited by time and space. You are not limited by time and space. That's the neat thing about some of these platforms. You are not limited by wherever you are. You could be in Africa, you would get the job, work on your own time. You could be wherever you are, right? Nobody is after you, but you have to be responsive. You have to be conscious that people are in a capitalist society. So when I give you work, I'm expecting, hey, if it has to be done by tomorrow, it has to be done by tomorrow. No excuses. No, hey, my lights went off. You have to put those factors into consideration while you're being hired, while you're taking the contract. No, hey, my internet connectivity was disrupted or something. No, you don't have to have excuses. A lot of excuses will pull you down. Your career will just melt down. Because these platforms, they calculate all of that, and that's how you are rated, right? And when you're rated top, you're good to go. So what's stopping you? You can type in machine learning right here, and you see people making it big in the machine learning space. Look at, it's earned over 330K. You see different people with data scientists. This guy's earned over 40K and so on. This guy's earned over 800. 800. Yeah, he's from Egypt. He's making just $13 an hour. He charges just $13 an hour. This guy is made over 10K US dollars. He charges 45 per hour. This guy charges 80 per hour. He's top rated. He's in Pakistan. Brazil, this guy is in Brazil. This guy is in Turkey. Just guys, there's everything out here. So you see, you can literally go to YouTube, learn skills for free, and go to Upwork, Fiverr, and other platforms. There are a lot of platforms out there, and make money. That's how it works. That's how it works, guys. So I think there are a lot of resources, and as I was telling you, there are platforms like this one, the Free Code Camp. Let me see one of the videos. This guy's here, the Free Code Camp guys. This platform right here. Let me get their Free Code Camp. Let me go to their website. Free Code. Oops. Camp.org, I think. .org, sorry, I typed something else. Yeah, this is the platform. You come in here, create an account, and you can do projects on everything. Look at, they have projects on responsive web design, JavaScript algorithms, front-end development, data visualization, relational databases, back-end development, quality assurance, scientific computing, data analysis, information security, machine learning, and so on. All you need to do is get started. And they have free videos on YouTube. They have free videos on YouTube that are really consistent videos of hours of training. What else would you want to have, right? Everything is available. You can come in here. It's a free website. It operates through donations, right? It operates through donations, so you can see donations, the donation bucket, right? Sorry, tab right here. So guys, there are a lot of things out there. I see people asking me, hey, where do I get projects from? How do I? They have all the projects that you need. They have all the projects that you need. And if you're looking for projects, if you want, for instance, you are a Kubernetes developer and you're looking for Kubernetes project, just type Kubernetes example projects. And if maybe you want the ones that are deployed through GitHub, you can add the word GitHub there. And voila, here you have projects, project awesome Kubernetes, blah, blah, blah. These are different projects. Kubernetes itself will give you example projects that it's designed for learners. Look at this, are an example project. Have you gone through this project? These are example projects that they give us out there. You can deploy it, run it for yourself, see how it works. And through that, you're learning, right? You're learning. These are videos, free videos that are offered by different platforms. So guys, there's a lot of things that we can do and also learn how to monetize our skill sets. It's very important. Thank you for listening and watching. Please hit the subscribe button for more content. I just wanted to share these tips with you. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.